LaCrosse boasts a gas V6 3.6-liter/217 engine powering this automatic transmission. Cruise control, wipers, front intermittent, windshield, solar absorbing. This Buick LaCrosse features the following options: windows, power, rear with express down, windows, power with driver and front passenger express up/down, wheels, 18, 45.7 centimeters, ultra bright machine faced aluminum, wheel, compact spare 17, 43.2 centimeters, steel, visors, driver and front passenger illuminated vanity mirrors, universal home remote includes garage door opener, 3-channel programmable, turn signals, side-mounted indicator lamps, trunk latch, safety, manual release, toolkit, road emergency, tires, P235/50R18 all-season, blackwall. Visit us today. Stop by Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 for a quick visit and a hassle-free deal.